Hello everyone. How are you all? Today, question number 2 of exercise 1.4. Okay. First question means instruction is little lengthy, so I have not written. In this question, you are asked whether the given decimal form or given decimal expansion is a rational or irrational. If it is a rational, then what should be the factors of q? Q means denominator. Every rational number can be expressed in p upon q form. And as per the theorem 1.5, we predict q can be factorized or q can be expressed as a 2 raised to n and 5 raised to m, where value of m and n are whole number. Understood? Okay. I repeat the question. Check whether the decimal expansion of given number is a rational or not. If it is a rational, what is the factors of q? Okay. Let's we pick up the first question. 43.123456789. This is a terminating. Why? There is a no bar sign. So we can write that decimal expansion of given number is terminating. Okay? Therefore, given number is a rational. Fine. Then, as it is a rational number, the prime factors of q will be 2 or 5 or both. Why? Because of theorem 1.5. As per the theorem 1.5, we can say q 2, 5 or both. Now second question. 0.120, 1200, 12000, 1240 and so on. So what can we say about this? Here first decimal expansion is non-terminating. Okay. Now we check it is repeating or non-repeating. If it is a repeating, then rational. But it is not repeating. Why? The order of number of 0 is not equal. Here 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0 and so on. So what reason we can write? The decimal expansion of given number is not terminating and non-repeating. Non-terminating, non-repeating. Therefore, given number is irrational. Okay? Let's we do one more sum. One more sum is given. 43 same. Here little difference only. We remove the second one. Remove the second one. Okay. Look here. In third one, 43.123456789. The decimal expansion of given number is terminating. But here what shall we write? Non-terminating is non-terminating. Therefore, here the decimal expansion of given number is non-terminating and repeating. Non-terminating is non. Why repeating? Because bar sign. So this block of digits repeats several times. decimal expansion of given number is non-terminating repeating. Therefore, given number is a rational. If it is a rational, what should be the nature of factors of q? Q means denominator. The prime factors of q will be 2 or 5 or both. Just I explain you, 2.5 is a terminating and 2.5 upon 10. What should be the factor of 10? 2, 5. So if the given number is rational, then denominator can be expressed as a, sorry, here non-terminating repeating, given number is rational. The prime factors of q will be 2, 5 or both. Besides 2, 5 both, okay, the prime factors of q will not be 2, 5 or both. Not be 2, 5 or both. Okay? Because some of the factor, the prime factors of q will not be 2 or 5 or both. Can you see? No. Be 2 or 5 or both. Okay? Okay, suppose 1 upon 3, then 0.333 infinite. So what are the factors? The factors of denominator contain one more factor, 3. That is why this is a rational. The decimal expansion of given number is non-terminating repeating. So given number is a rational. Okay, it is a rational. But prime factor of q will not be 2 or 5 or both. Okay, maybe 3, 5, 7, any other prime factor. Okay.